Hey y'all, I am coming to you in a video because I want to tell you about the other kits that you can get through Young Living, and one is the Thieves kit. And if you don't know Thieves is amazing. Thieves is the so the legend goes that in the time of the Black Plague, there were some people who were able to thieve the bodies that were infected. And one of the reasons they were able to do this is they used a combination of clove and cinnamon bark and lemon and all these natural remedies that they had in their apothecaries. And so hence the name Thieves, with the Thieves line that Young Living uses. So I'm going to do an unboxing because my husband Kevin signed up for a Young Living account last month. Last month was a really good month to do it because we got an extra free bottle of Thieves Cleaner. If you signed up for a new account, you got this 22-ounce bottle of Thieves Cleaner, which is fabulous because we use it for all of our cleaning nowadays. So I do want to tell you all the wonderful things you can make with it, but I also just want to show you what all is in this kit. So let me show you what we got. We got one bottle of Thieves mouthwash. We got 2 bottles of Thieves Cleaner. We got 2 bottles of Thieves hand foaming hand soap. Those came with 2 pumps. So we have the pump foaming hand wash, one for the kitchen, one for the bathroom. We got Thieves toothpaste. We got an actual bottle of Thieves, so we can run this in the diffuser. We can use this on the bottom of our feet when we're feeling ill. I will put some on my thumb, press it to the roof of my mouth when I have a sore throat. I also make Thieves tea out of it. I use a spoonful of honey and 3 drops of lemon essential oil from Young Living and 1 drop of Thieves. And we have the line that is considered for consumables and cooking. So we have a Vitality line is what it's called, and you can use the Vitality line for cooking and consumption. So I don't recommend using any old oil to consume, but since this is a line that has been marked by the FDA okay for consumption, I would recommend that. There's in this kit 2 bottles of hand purifier. So instead of using the stuff that's alcohol based and we've all learned that a lot of those hand sanitizers aren't good for your skin and aren't good for actually keeping you safe, but the Thieves line is 100% safe. We got 2 bottles of Thieves spray. So like you go to an amusement park, spray things down before you touch them. If you go to get on an airplane, spray the area down before you touch it. You go to a restaurant, you can spray things down before you touch it. So especially if you're fighting something off or you have an immunocompromised person in your family, whether it be an elderly person or a young one, you can spray everything down with the Thieves hand sanitizer. The Thieves spray. So we got all that, and then there was this box, and I was like, what's this box? Well, this is what usually a kit of oils comes in, right? You may or may not know that. So I go to open it, and I was like, what's in here? Well, where there's typically the oils that come with a kit, this part's empty, but all the extra goodies that come with your kit are still here. So now we have a 3rd Thieves spray. A bottle of Stress Away. If any of you know me well, you know that this is pretty much my perfume, and I wear it all the time. It's always in my nighttime diffuser. There's still 2 bottles of Ninjexa Red, which is a supplement, like a juice supplement that's full of antioxidants, and it has like wolfberry, sweet cherry, pomegranate, plum, blueberries, so all of those really, really good juices. And then it's also infused with some essential oils, including lemon, tangerine, lime, so really, really good stuff. I try and remember to drink 1 to 2 ounces of this a day. I don't always remember. And then it has these little buggers that you can share with people. You can share your oils. And it also has a roller top and bottom, so I tend to just pop that sucker right onto the Stress Away, and then I have my fresh perfume. So I'm also going to share with you what all you can make with the Thieves Cleaner. And I'm reading from my screen, so don't fault me. So an all-purpose cleaner, you can use 2 capfuls of this and like a bottle that's the same size. And this is like, many people probably use the Miss Myers or the Simple Green. It's that same size bottle, similar to Windex. You just need 1 or 2 capfuls of this in there, and it's your all-purpose cleaner. I use that to clean my countertops, my kitchen table, the bathroom sink, and the guinea pig's cage, because I don't have to worry about his health. I don't have to worry that I'm using anything that's going to compromise our animal. But if you're doing heavy degreasing, you can use 1 capful of this in a cup of water, so then it's a lot more concentrated. For a fruit and veggie wash, because this, again, does not have anything that's toxic, you can clean your fruits and vegetables, a capful of this with 3 cups of water. And then you can soak your broccoli and soak your berries. For the dishwasher, a capful of this in the bottom of your dishwasher, and you're cleaning it all out. For the laundry, you can add 1 to 2 capfuls in your laundry machine to supercharge your laundry. Pots and pans, a capful to 3 cups water. Window and glass, so you can use this to clean your glass. It's not going to leave anything streaky. It's a 1/4 teaspoon of cleaner to a quart water bottle, quart of water in a spray bottle. So that's a lot less concentrated. For your walls, like if you just need to clean down some grime, 1 capful with 6 cups of water. Your floors, 1 capful with 6 cups of water. Your carpets, 1 capful with 6 cups of water. Fabrics, 1 capful with 2 cups of water, like if you need to scrub your sofa or something. And then hand cleaner, 1 capful to a 1/2 cup of water. So you can just make this totally all-purpose. So it's amazing. But now that you know that your friend Kanan has 3 bottles of it, you show up with an empty spray bottle, and I'll hook you up, and you'll have your own sample to take home. I'm actually going to look at another thing that I wanted to tell you guys about. Is that cost-wise, like, so this, if you were to order it on your own, it's I think it's $22, right? But comparatively, Clorox cleanup for a 32 ounce, so cost per quart, Clorox cleanup would be almost $4.50, which is like 13 cents an ounce. Greenworks, so that's stuff that you believe in more, that feels like it's good. A 32 ounce is $7.98. So it's only 24 cents an ounce. 7th generation 32 ounce is $8.90, so almost $9. So that's like 27 cents an ounce. So when you make this diluted, a 14.4 ounce of this, so I make it, and say this was empty already, and I put it in here with just 2 capfuls and a spray bottle. Now it's diluted like all those others I was quoting you, and it's only $1.57 an ounce, which makes it, $1.57 a quart, which makes it 5 cents an ounce. So it's super affordable because it's so diluted. It's so concentrated in here that you use it diluted. So it's super affordable as well, which is rad. Anyway, Thieves also makes other products, which I'm totally addicted to. They make cough drops. So when I'm fighting a gunk, I have Thieves cough drops, and these are super strong. I also have, because I used to not have 3 bottles of this stuff, they come in sample sizes. So at the beginning of the school year, I gave each of my teachers one of these samples to use. It also has, I didn't set myself up well, they make their own laundry soap. But this little guy is super small, and it doesn't take much, and you're only filling it up that much. It's super concentrated. Works really well. They also have their own dishwashing soap. And I have a few of these Thieves brochures if anybody's interested. There's other products as well. There's the cleaner, fruit and veggie wash, wipes. You can get Thieves wipes. So again, this is for the dishwasher. You can get tablets for your dishwasher. You can get a bigger hand purifier. You can get a bar soap. You can get a refill for these hand pumps. They have more than one variety of the toothpaste. They have mints, which I looked for my box, but of course couldn't find it. It's probably on my desk at work. So just a huge variety of products from this great line, which keeps you healthy all year. Okay, so if anybody has interest, give me a shout. Bye.